So I've been using Facebook Marketplace recently during my house move to sell a lot of my personal possessions. And I discovered an unexpected surprise whilst using it, which we're going to talk about in this video. So thanks for watching this channel starting up. Make sure to subscribe if you're new here and also give this video a like. So this channel is all about passive income tips, sharing tips for making passive income online. And for example, today we're going to be talking about Facebook Marketplace. So you may have heard about Facebook Marketplace in the past. You may be thinking, shall I be using it myself? What's it all about? You may have even seen Gary Vee's videos where he talks about Facebook Marketplace.
Let me tell you about an opportunity that I can't get out of my head, which is there's a website called Craigslist. There's a section called free where people list shit that they want to get rid of. You go there and you take it and then you list it on Facebook Marketplace and you sell it.
So there is one of the biggest entrepreneurs in the world talking about Facebook Marketplace. And you may be thinking, okay then Greg, what's this video all about? What's the shocking truth? What's the unexpected surprise about Facebook Marketplace? Well, as I said, I've been using it this week for the first time ever. And I've discovered that Facebook Marketplace is absolutely amazing. It's so good, it shouldn't actually be free. I can't believe it's free. Now I'm well aware that Facebook Marketplace has been around since 2016. I'm 3 years late to the party. If you're just hearing about it now through me or you've heard it through Gary Vaynerchuk recently, you're late to the party too. But better late than never. I've discovered it's a great opportunity. I want to talk you through the amazing potential there in this video. So if you stick through to the end of this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I've been listing products on Facebook Marketplace and selling them, and I'm going to do a live case study and try and do this in under maybe 2 minutes. But before then, I need to tell you what Facebook Marketplace is quickly if you've not heard about it before. So what is it? Well, Facebook Marketplace is an additional feature, whether you're on the desktop version, it's an additional tab on your browser, or you're on your mobile, it's an additional button at the bottom. It's an additional feature of Facebook that lets you buy and sell items in your community. If we jump over to Facebook's launch announcement here, we can see it says Marketplace makes it easy to find new things you'll love and find a home for the things you're ready to part with. So through Facebook Marketplace, you're going to be able to buy and sell products that you either want or don't want anymore. And in addition to buying and selling things through Facebook, you're also going to be able to buy or rent a house or find a job through Facebook Marketplace too. So if the potential to find a job through Facebook, flog your old things, or even buy a house through Facebook sounds good, make sure to give this video a like. Cool, so if we jump over to this article here, we can see that there's already 800 million people globally using Marketplace each month. So 800 million potential customers is an amazing opportunity just for you as an independent seller selling things to your local community, and even for brands to sell through Facebook. And as you can see here, this list, you can plug in some of the big e-commerce platforms such as BigCommerce, Shopify, Commerce Hub. You can plug your store into Facebook Marketplace and sell your products, as well as selling it through your own store. You can now sell it automatically through Facebook Marketplace too. So potential 800 million target audience. Now there is a downside here. If you're an independent seller, you can only realistically expect to sell to people in your local community. Whereas if you're using eBay, you can sell to people in the whole country, and really you can sell internationally on eBay too. If you're using Facebook Marketplace, you're basically listing an item in your location in the world and selling it to people in a nearby area to your location. So there is some limitations there compared to alternatives such as eBay. But I've been using this over the last few weeks to sell my things through this house move, and that's not been a problem for me at all. If you wait to the end, I'll show you exactly how that experience has been for me. Okay, cool, so I'll show you now exactly how to find Facebook on your phone and basically run you through the basic interface. So if you open up Facebook Marketplace by pressing this button at the bottom of your phone, you're going to see the home page where basically you're going to see a load of the best items in your local area that Facebook thinks you might be interested in. But when we jump to the top, that you get the most powerful features. So first off, you can sell by pressing this sell button here, and you can list if you want to sell an item, a vehicle, a property, or list a job that you have going in the area. You can then also find things local to you. So here's my local listings, and I can see people, everything that's being listed within a 2 kilometer radius of Leeds here. So there's properties, just because of the filters I've set so far. We can also go back and have a look at vehicles in my area. So I want to buy a BMW up here on the top right, or a Honda. Here's all the vehicles in the area here with the prices below it. We can then move over to properties for rent, and I can choose the area that I want to search in and then see the prices that you can see here on the map, the monthly prices. Jump back over and we can then look at more, and we can also find jobs here. So if I want to get a full-time job in the area, I can look for jobs near me. So it's as easy as pushing this button at the bottom of Facebook down here and opening up Facebook Marketplace and starting to buy products. Okay, cool, so that's a basic run through of exactly what the Facebook Marketplace app looks like and how you can browse through as a buyer to buy products in your local area. And in a couple of minutes, I'm going to show you exactly the selling process of how to list an item on Facebook Marketplace for free and sell your old things in your local area within a couple of days. But first off, I wanted to talk about the risks of using Facebook Marketplace, because there's always negatives to positives that you need to acknowledge in these situations. So first off, the big one here is the danger of selling people local in your area. So whereas if you're using eBay, you'll make a sale and you just basically get the buyer's address and you send the item to them. With Facebook Marketplace, it's more likely that you are going to be basically giving people the item in a face-to-face situation. And with meeting anyone from the internet face-to-face, there's always going to be associated risks with that. Secondly, buyer protection. If you're buying things through eBay or even selling things through eBay, I know that eBay has some insurance policies in place to give buyers and sellers some basic level of protection. So if someone gets scammed, they're going to probably get their money reimbursed or get some compensation through the insurance. Now, with Facebook Marketplace being a free platform where everything is provided to you for free, there's no fees being taken like they were through eBay, Facebook's not taking any money from you, I don't believe there is any like insurance policies or protection for buyers or sellers through Facebook Marketplace. Now, I may be wrong, but I wasn't able to find any like documentation or terms and conditions hinting at some protection or insurance with the marketplace. So that's just one risk, another risk you're going to have there compared to if you're going down the eBay route to selling through eBay. But one thing you can always do as a seller to protect yourself is only ever take payment in cash. If you're meeting someone and they have to pay you in cash to get your products, then you know you're getting your money, and there's far less chance of being scammed than if you take money through a bank payment, through a card payment. Just try and get cash payments, and that's one way to significantly reduce the risks of being a seller on Facebook. And that's it really. When you think about how quickly it takes to put an item on Facebook Marketplace, which I'm going to show you in just a second, and also the fact that there's no seller fees, you're getting 100% of the sales profit, the risks are really low. If you're going to just take a picture of something and put it on Facebook Marketplace and see if it sells, you're not spending any money to put it on there. There's a really low risk to yourself. The worst that's going to happen is it doesn't sell, but you've not paid any money anyway. So now I'm going to jump into my experience over the last couple of weeks using Facebook Marketplace for the first time ever. This channel is all about me sharing my experiences with passive income sources. So if you like things like that, make sure to subscribe to this channel for more tips and open experiences moving forwards. But first off, I'm going to show you exactly what I've sold in the last few weeks, how much money I've made off Facebook Marketplace, and then I'll give you a step-by-step run through of how quick and easy it is to sell something on Facebook. Okay, cool. So we're just going to jump back over to the Facebook app on my phone. I'm on the marketplace by clicking this button down here, and we're going to jump over to my account to see the items I've sold in the last few weeks. As I mentioned before, I've just been recently moving house, and when you move house, you find a lot of old stuff that you don't need anymore. And that's where I basically found these things for selling on Marketplace. And I thought, what's the harm? I'll put it on there. I've got a week before I move out. I'll put them all on there and see if people buy the products and want to come and collect it from my house before I move out. And as you can see here, I've sold my laptop stand. I have sold a microwave down here. I also sold a clothes area, and I sold a camera tripod recently in the process of moving property. And if we click on an item that I've sold, I'm going to click here. We can click again at the top to see my listing for that laptop stand, and you can see I was selling it in Leeds, England. I sold that for £15. 627 people saw this listing, and all I've done is shown a few pictures here of the laptop stand up, and then I wrote a simple description. Basically, I went to Amazon where I originally bought this stand, copied and pasted the bullet points into this description section, and then basically put my postcode and that this item is collection only. So when someone sees this listing, they see the postcode where the buyer lives. I just put the first three characters for my postcode. If you're in America, that's your zip code. And then I said this is collection only, so it means I don't have to go and deliver this to anyone. They can just come to my house and get it from my doorstep. Collection only, simple description, and this item had 627 views, and I sold it for £15. And same again, I'll just show you one quick one. Here's a tripod that I sold yesterday. I put this on Facebook a couple of days ago. Camera tripod, you can see 122 views, just took a few quick photos, and then wrote the same description. I got the product description off Amazon, collection only, put my postcode down there, and people came to collect this item. So a laptop stand, a microwave, a clothes area, and a tripod are just 4 of the types of products that people are coming to Facebook for to buy from local suppliers, and the types of products that are going to work for you if you try and start to sell on Facebook. Okay, so now I'm going to run through how quick and easy it is to create a new listing, just like I've been doing over the last couple of weeks. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a new listing. I'm going to try and do this in under 2 minutes. So I'm going to create a new listing, click on items here, and I'm going to add a photo. I'm going to actually add a photo that I took a second ago just to save some time. Oh no, actually I'm going to take a live photo now. So here is my product I'm going to sell. It's a piece of duct tape, just as an example for this video. So I'm going to take a picture of that. Boom. Okay, we're going to use that and upload that as the photo for Facebook Marketplace. I'm going to give it a title. So black duct tape. Let's just sell this for 50p. Okay, so I actually just realised the minimum price you can sell something for is £1. So I've just sped that up while I realised that. But yeah, we're going to put this up for £1 then rather than 50 pence. Category, we're going to give it home and garden, I guess, household, product. And we're going to write a description. So my description is going to say, quick and easy, duct tape. Don't want to do any tags. Yeah, okay, cool. Then we're just going to do next. We're going to put it on the marketplace, nothing else, publish. There we go. We can see black duct tape's got active. Click on the listing. £1, 1 view. This is just me. And here we go. You can see my local seller information here, the location that's being sold from. And there we have it. That item is on Facebook for sale. If someone sees that, they're going to see the price, know that they have to come to my place to collect it. They then will be able to message me through Facebook, arrange collection, maybe barter on the price, come to my place and buy the item. And that is it. That's just what I wanted to show you today. It's basically make you aware of the opportunities that are out there in the Facebook Marketplace, because I just discovered this stuff in the last 2 weeks. Like I said, super late to the Facebook Marketplace party. I usually use eBay, but it takes a ton of time setting up the listings, selling the seller fees, having to take all the items to the local post office to mail those to the sellers. You can just basically take a picture on your phone, upload to the Facebook Marketplace by using the Facebook app, and have someone come and collect a product from you, from your property, that same day if someone wants it that quickly. So it was just an amazing discovery that I wanted to basically share with you. If you want to start selling your extra things, or even do what Gary Vee says and get free things off Craigslist and sell them on Facebook Book to people in your local area, I think this is a fantastic opportunity to make some money online. So I definitely encourage you to do so. There's nothing stopping you. This is completely free to use. Anyone, anywhere in the world can do this. So if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to Start Starting Up. As I said earlier, more tips just like this about my experiences and things I've learned from others about passive income, which is making online by taking advantage of automation and systems and doing less work than if you were making money using other methods. So make sure to subscribe if you're not already subscribed. For the final time, like this video because it helps me so much. And I will see you next week with the weekly video, or you can find me before there on Instagram by using my handle @StartStartingUp. Peace out. Bye.